Hello guys. So if you want to hide these stories from certain people in your WhatsApp, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is simply open your WhatsApp, then go to your status section in the middle, then click on the three dots at the top right, then go to status privacy, and over here you will find few options. So the first option is my contacts. So the first option means everyone in your contacts list will be able to see your story. Now, if you choose the second option, you will be able to select few members from your contact list that you want to hide your story from. So, for example, if I want them, so as you can see, I have selected few people over here, and at the right hand side you will see they are all selected by a red check mark. So if I click on the green check mark at the bottom right, now they are all excluded from any stories that I will ever upload. So that's the second option. Now the third option is only share with. So what this option will do is, firstly let me select few people. So as you can see over here, I've selected few people, and in the right hand side again few check marks showing that these people are selected, but this time it is green, meaning whenever I will upload a story or a status, only these people which are marked over here as green will be able to see my story. So in the end, all you have to do is just simply click on the check mark and it's saved. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.